Page 12, O come, Emmanuel. I'll go through the process I use for learning a piece of music. Let's see what I end up with. First thing, I want to know about how long it is. See, it's about 2 pages long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. I always check them because you never know. Time signature is 4/4 time, so we're back to 4 beats and a measure now. And you'll notice the first measure has all rests, and you think, what's the point? Well, that's because of the duet. The duet does not have rest. So somebody else is playing, and you have to sit and quietly. I'll come back to that later. Now the notes, it looks like quarter notes, dotted half notes, whole notes, half notes. I think hopefully we can handle all that. I'm going to take both hands together here because it's only one hand at a time playing. The right hand or the left hand starts, it's here, that puts the hand here. And the right hand starts second finger here, so we're in this position. And it's, when we play, it's beat 4, 4, 1, 4, 1. So just quarter notes. 4, 1, 2, 3. Remember, dotted half notes the same as 3/4 notes, so here it gets 3 beats. Okay, not too difficult, I hope. Let's go down to measure 22. Numbers at the beginning of the lines, remember, our measure numbers. So 22, you're holding on to this, and then on beat 4, they have a note there, both hands 8/8. So the notes are here, but here you're going to move the right hand up here. While you're holding this down, you're going to move the right hand up, and as you play that, you're going to move the left hand up. So I'm moving one hand at a time here. Don't try and move both hands at the same time. Sometimes we have to do that, but if all possible, don't. Here we don't, because the right hand plays first. You go ahead and get the right hand up, you're ready to go, and then as it plays, move the left hand. So you got 2 beats to get the left hand up there. Yeah. These moving the hands around, that causes hesitations and things, and we don't want hesitation, so we practice the hand moves. Because once I have the notes and rhythms worked out, I go back over and get rid of all the hesitations. So it's a steady beat. Then I can add in the, dynamics? Okay. MF at the beginning is mezzo forte. Whatever you think sort of loud is. Medium loud. Whatever, not loud, just sort of loud. Then when you get to measure 14, with the dotted half note sort of loud, but now if F is forte, you go up. And then measure 18, loud, now sort of soft. Yeah. And then at the end, measure 22, you're sort of soft, and then going on, it's soft. Whatever you think soft is, okay. So you put in the dynamics, and then the speed. Moderately slow. I don't think 96 is moderately slow. But it's not necessarily the speed of the beat we're talking about. It's the overall feel of the piece. This is pretty connected. This has to flow. It's not a slow, because that just drags. And it's not fast. I mean, that's just silly. It's a flow piece. Just let it flow. So somewhere in there, that's fine. Because you think 1, 2, 3, 4, that's moderately slow? No, for the beat it's not, but for the feel of the piece it is. Remember the natural accents. In 4/4 time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel these. Exaggerate them if you have to, but here. 1, 2, 3. Feel these. I'm exaggerating them so you can hear them better, but really you just feel these all the time when you're playing music. Feel the natural accents. When you're dancing, a lot of times you're dancing to the natural accents whether you know it or not. It's just because you feel them. And if you'll feel them when you play them, then the listener picks up on them. They will hear them. Make sure at the end you hold that last note out for 8 counts. Leave both hands on the keyboard until it's all over, and then you remove both hands. Don't take the right hand off because you're done. That's considered poor technique. Just leave it there until you're done, and then you can take both hands off. There are times when you'll remove one hand or the other, but you have to be careful. I mean, sometimes you do it for show. We're not trying to be showy here, so just leave both hands there until the end. Now, don't copy me. You don't have to take it the speed I take it. You can play around with the dynamics. You get a little louder and softer if you feel it. Yeah, whatever. Once you can play it at least slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together, very slowly, just to check the notes and the rhythm. So I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. Now we're not doing louds and softs. We're just playing notes and rhythms. That's all this is for. But we will go up now on major 22. We do go up on the keyboard. 1, ready, go. 4, tie, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, 3, 4, off. There's a duet for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. You play what you just played. I am going to speed this up a little closer to how fast it goes. And I need you to go up an octave again. Go up on the keyboard. So just pretend the middle C on the keyboard instead of here is up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Whatever the notes are. Now at the end, if you don't have the notes, you can stay here. You don't need to go up again. You can just stay here. But if you have the notes, going up here to end it. That's fine too. If some people have short keyboards, you don't have it. But if you have the notes, you can go up too. At the beginning of this, the accompaniment does play here at the beginning. So you got to wait 7 beats before you come in. You got to count. As the accompaniment is playing, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. So you have to count this out carefully to come in at the right spot or we're not there. So rather than giving us count-in beats, I'm just going to start playing, and hopefully you get the speed by listening to me. A lot of times we have to do that. So again, at the beginning, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. That's where you come in? All right. Good luck.